Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to connect your Facebook account to Candy Crush Saga. This is a very simple thing to do guys, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and that you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So guys, the first thing you want to do is go ahead and open up the official Candy Crush application on your mobile phone if you haven't already, and go ahead and log into your account. So after opening up the Candy Crush game guys and logging into your account, you will be greeted by this main page right here, which is the home screen of the Candy Crush game. So now what we can do guys is to go ahead and see you have two buttons. You have the play button and the my account button, and what we want to do guys is to go ahead and click on the my account button right here that will appear. So guys, go ahead and click on my account, and after clicking on my account guys, this will enable you now to go ahead and connect your Facebook profile. As you can see, a button will appear that says connect via Facebook. All you have to do is go ahead and click on that button and then enter in your login info and start connecting. So after being connected guys, now we can see our account info and our profile picture right here that is going to appear, or we can go ahead and click the play button. So go ahead, click on play guys, and it will take you to this new page where you can see your progress. You can get started playing, you can see the shop and so on. And all you can do this using your Facebook account. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So guys, thanks for watching, take care and bye.